Ever wonder where messages go when they fail to process? Dead letter queues are the safety net preventing data loss in distributed systems. A dead letter queue, or DLQ, receives messages that have failed processing multiple times. When a message fails to process, the system retries it a configured number of times. After exhausting all retry attempts, the message gets routed to the DLQ instead of being discarded. This prevents losing important data while keeping the main queue moving. Once messages land in a DLQ, they're stored separately from the main queue. They sit there waiting for human intervention. The messages don't disappear on their own, they don't get automatically reprocessed, and they won't expire unless you configure retention policies. This gives developers time to investigate what went wrong without pressure. Messages stay in the DLQ until you take action. You can manually review them to understand the failure, fix the underlying issue in your code, then reprocess them back through the main queue. Or if they're truly invalid, you can delete them. This manual control prevents bad messages from crashing your system repeatedly. Here's the crucial part. DLQs preserve not just the message content, but also metadata like timestamps, retry counts, and error details. This makes debugging much easier. You can see exactly when the message first failed, how many times it was retried, and what exceptions were thrown. This forensic data is invaluable for fixing production issues. Remember, dead letter queues are quarantine zones for failed messages, preserving them with full context until you're ready to investigate and resolve the issue. Practice explaining this confidently. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.